Hey, guys. Now, right now, we are going to.
Snuggles. Because he is my pillow. I'm sorry.
We are going to. Right now, we're going to the.
I have that like super
Right now, we're going to a restaurant to eat because all of us are pretty hungry. There's Sophie doing her video.
Hi guys.
That's it. Oh, his name is Fart. This is Killer Pony. This is Mr. Beard Killer. Just let you know that, guys. And that monkey is Fatto.
Yeah, I'm just gonna rearrange everything. I have it like everything put in place
Right now.
Like this is all my emergency stuff. Like here's my money, my wallet, everything is in there. And I just have my pillow in front of me.
To go
My
eat.
stuffed
Because
animals
remember, we're
right
all really
here.
hungry, especially
Just in
me.
case someone take a nap. Like, and then I have my blanket.
I'm so sorry. I did get a new jacket, guys. Guys,
And
I found a clam at the beach.
Watermelon cup that I got.
The croissant.
My brother got a Deadpool cup. Show him your Deadpool cup.
No.
What happened?
Did you see that long line outside? Yeah.
We're gonna
Like a 2-hour wait, an hour and a half.
we're gonna eat there?
Yeah.
Was it pancake house?
So we're trying to find a very delicious place to go eat. And yes, you guys,
Camera
2 days
froze.
ago was my birthday.
Camera froze.
Like,
Camera.
wish me happy birthday, you guys. Can send me
Okay, there you go. So, guys, the
Guys,
camera
I'm not
accidentally
saying you
froze.
like have to. Just I'm going to a small get together with my family and my mom.
Camera
I really
froze.
don't like big
The
birthday
camera
parties.
froze.
I'd rather have a super big birthday party than a bunch of presents. But presents do matter.
You have to invite us.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I'm having one with my mom.
We're part of your family.
I know, but you're not part of my mom's family.
Soon I will.
Sophie, be nice.
I'm sorry. So, yeah. And we're doing it once I get back. So, yeah. See you guys later. Bye.
You want to try this other one?
Right now, guys.
Free.
It's gonna take a while, so I better turn off my camera. So, see you all next time. Bye.